Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a new child's profile in YouTube Kit using your Windows computer. Let's get started. First, go to youtubekit.com using any browser on your PC. Once the page loads, click on the profile icon on the top right corner to access the parent settings. Now, you'll be asked a simple math question or to enter your parental passcode. Go ahead and solve it or type in your custom code, then click Submit. Next, scroll down and find the option that says Add New Profile. Click on it and hit the Continue to begin the first step. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account password to confirm you are the parent. Once you do, click Next to confirm. Now it's time to set up your new profile. Enter the child's name, their age, and click Next. You'll then be asked to select content preferences. Just pick the option that fits best and click Select or Continue. Once you're finished all the setup, click Done. Your new profile is now created. To switch between profiles, just click on the profile icon at the bottom corner of the screen and choose any child account from the list. And that's it, guys. You have successfully added another kid's profile in your YouTube Kit on your PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.